Frustrated with your Nikon Z50 lens being stuck? Don't panic, this video will show you how to safely unlock and remove it. First, locate the lens release button on the front of your Nikon Z50, usually positioned near the lens mount, on the lower left. Now, firmly press and hold that lens release button. Keep it held down throughout the lens removal process. While still holding the release button, gently twist the lens counterclockwise. Towards the top you should feel it start to detach. Continue twisting until the lens completely detaches from the camera mount. Support the lens from underneath with your other hand to prevent it from dropping. Finally, carefully place the lens in a safe location, preferably a padded camera bag or lens case, with the rear cap on, to protect it from dust and scratches. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Nikon Z50 lens. Now you're ready to change it out or store it safely until your next shoot. Be sure to handle your lenses and camera body with care to avoid damage. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more camera tips and tutorials.